So we're back in Sweden. We have a couple of very busy months ahead of us here. Our two youngest children are graduating, and we're inviting a lot of our friends and their friends for a big party in the beginning of June. So lots of gardening to catch up on while we've been away in Italy. And now, as the flowers and all the green is coming up, so is the weed. So I'm dealing with that today, repotting some of the plants that died over the winter and installing the irrigation again for the season. Come along and let's get busy. So I'm going to start off this little project by heading to the garden center. I need some sacks of soil, some plants to replace the ones that died, and also some seeds from a little flower beds. We've had a lot of conversations, me and Carl, now, with our hearts becoming a little bit more split, and not just the hearts, but above all, our energy and attention. We spend more and more time in Italy. We're building and we're undertaking this big project starting this fall. But at the same time, I have an interior design and consultancy business, and Carl is also helping me do that. We're wrapping up businesses here as we speak, plus our two youngest children still live at home. So this big, beautiful old house needs a lot of attention, and so does the life we lead here. But the preparation and renovations that we are undertaking now for these 2 months, they are also with the thought in mind of actually having to sell the house in a year or two, which makes me a little bit sad to think about. I think, and I know that Carl is much more relieved and happy about that thought.
Years ago we finished this house, but what we didn't do was finish this area behind me. We wanted to create some kind of compost area for the material that comes from the garden, but we were kind of run down at that time with a lot of projects going on. Finishing this was not a priority. Anyways, we've had a big compost pile here for 13 years now, and I've just removed it, and we're going to replace it with a box in wood. So I've gone and bought this pressure treated wood that we're going to use, and hopefully it will look nicer than it did before. So this is how it looks when it's done. Almost, because then my wife came out and said, it is a bit too high for me to put stuff in it. So we decided we're going to take these two off to make it a bit lower in the front so that it's easier for her to put stuff in it. So let's do it.